This place is incredible. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the biggest rainforest on Earth. Some trees grow over 200 feet tall. That's taller than a 20-story building. This rainforest is home to millions of plants, insects, birds, and animals, many found nowhere else. And look at this! The Amazon River carries more water than any other river on Earth. Rain falls here almost every day, keeping the forest green and full of life. See that tiny frog? It may look cute, but some poison dart frogs are incredibly dangerous. The Amazon helps store carbon, protect wildlife, and support our planet's climate. Nature is amazing. What's your favorite rainforest animal? Follow Brain Melt Fact for more amazing facts